Hey, what's up guys? Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and OMA Realty. So we're gonna make this quick because my last appraisal video that I make, I was totally ill prepared. Now I have a few more things for you, which not in this video, but the next video, I gotta pay for this damn class. I haven't paid for it because I wanted to go ahead and I think I wanted to put it on camera, and I didn't want to. Whatever. You guys are gonna see the things that I'm doing. Okay, so the educational program that I'm doing is with McCosmic, or whatever it is. I'm gonna brutalize the name every single time. It's got to make it an easier name for this. I don't know, but here's the cost that I ended up finding out. Okay, not only did I find out a cost that I did not anticipate. Two costs that I did not anticipate, which I didn't understand why I would have had to do that. But there's a proctored exam that you have to take. Now, how many proctored exams are there? Let's go ahead and start from the very beginning. The class course as a whole, and by all means, I did make a phone call. You can get 15% off, which I will put a link below. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to go ahead and start putting my link in. And yes, I will end up making money off of any referral that signs up, except for the one that I'm going to really highly encourage you to do, because it's the only thing that makes sense, and I make nothing off of this. Zero. Off of your continued education, off of single classes that you want to take, off of every other package that you choose, I will make something. But the subscription package that I'm going to do, which I'm going to tell you to do, which I actually talked to one of my guys. This guy's name's Mac, that actually is my direct representative at this place. And if you did need any help with any questions you need to answer, DM me on Instagram. I will give you Mac's number, personal, like his direct number. He'll help you out with all of this, and he'll let you know that yes, Omar will get you 15%, but he won't make any money off of this, but he'll go ahead and double down on exactly what I'm saying. But so the class itself is going to be $1,699. $1,699, because I didn't know, because I kept on reading there's a 158-hour course, but I didn't want to do the 158-hour course. I wanted to do 200 because I eventually wanted to be a certified appraiser, a certified real estate appraiser, to go into the general appraiser. But I didn't want to stop at 158 hours if all I needed was 42 more hours to go ahead and complete the rest of it. And I think, I'm going to have to double check, but I think it's 300 hours of education for the certified drone, whatever. The reason why I'm doing the subscription is because I want to get the education part knocked out all at once. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to bother it. So the class on the subscription gives you 1 year. 1 year is $1,699. Part two of the cost of it. There's something that you have to do, which is you have 11 total exams, okay? 10 of them have to be proctored. Proctored exam is going to be by this thing called Monitor EDU. Now, each time you take an exam, every single time you take an exam, and if you fail, you have to pay this fee again. It is $15 for you to go ahead and pay to get this exam proctored. Now, you need 2 cameras. This is something else that he went ahead and told me. You can go someplace else to get a proctored exam. He did tell me there's other places like colleges and stuff like that cost way, way more. But for the bang for your buck, he's like, it's $15. Go do it. Monitor EDU. You have to do 10 of them. Total 11 total exams. 10 of them are going to be proctored. Then there's something called the live scan. Now, I am a real estate and mortgage broker. I've already done a live scan 1,000 times. Totally over-exaggerating the 1,000-time thing, but you have to go get something that's called a live scan, which means that they want to fingerprint you to make sure that you're not like a fugitive or whatever. I don't know what it is, but regardless, that's going to be on top of the $1,600. Let's just call it $1,700. Then you have the $150 you have to pay for the monitoring for the proctored exam, which is going to take your $1,700 to $1,850. Then it's between $50 and $75 to go ahead and get the live scan, which let's go ahead and put that to $1,925. And then, is there anything else that I totally forgot to mention? No, I think that's about it. As far as the running total cost of getting your appraisal license, I'll keep you up to date. The next video, So please like, subscribe, comment, all of that other stuff. Link in the description below. Up to 50% commission rebate, 0% listing on selling your current home or any mortgage assistance. Link in the description below if you did have any of those needs, which by all means, we have a great referral program too, which I will explain if you want to know. Just email me. My email is below. You can go ahead and email me and we'll go ahead and discuss that. But yeah, that's gonna be so far the total amount that I am going to be in. It's gonna be about 1,800 or let's see, 1,700 or plus 150. That's gonna be 1,850 plus another 75 relatively. So 1825 is the cost total tally that we're going to go ahead and try. And then once I go ahead and conclude this video, the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and show you the login setup. I'm going to show you the login setup. I'm going to tell you which classes were hard, which ones that I had to redo. I'll give you exactly the setup that I have to do, because the whole proctored exam thing, to have 2 cameras so they could see the backside. So he told me they have to see the backside of you and the front side of you on this monitor thing. So you might need a tripod. You might need something to go ahead. I mean, you can't have somebody in the room because they need to make sure you're not cheating or any of that stuff. But stay with me. Let's figure some stuff out. Let's become appraisers together. Link in the description below. Like, subscribe, comment. Till next video, guys. Peace.